connect.
That's great.
Hmm.
At the end, all wells end wells. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता
Exactly.
है, right? It is all for the best.
Exactly.
Okay, so Santosh ji, before we dwell into, before that network start playing with
Hmm.
us again, right?
Hmm.
Let's just start the conversation. And would you mind to introduce yourself, or you want me to introduce first?
Okay, I can introduce first.
Yes.
As you know, my name is Santosh Sharma. I'm from Himachal Pradesh, from your neighboring state,
Hmm.
and I'm a homemaker and mother of a grown-up boy. My son is a working professional now,
Hmm.
and I'm learning this language since January 2025. And like you, I'm also from a Hindi medium background, and you are a source of inspiration for us all. That you're so confident and so fluent in this language. And we learned that if you can speak in such a wonderful way, then why can't we?
Yeah.
So that's and so I always love to listen to you, and you're always full of energy, and we
Thank
also
you.
feel so energetic after listening to your conversation. So yeah, that's.
Thank you, Santosh ji, and really amazed and moved by your enchanted word. Thank you so much. I do not have, words to express, your praiseworthy words. So I can only say this. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Yes,
And
neighboring
I
state.
know very well. I know very well you are from Uttarakhand,
Yes,
and you live in Delhi, and
yes,
you have two twins
mm,
kids.
yes, absolutely,
But I don't
absolutely.
know their age.
Both are 10 years
How
old.
old? Okay,
10
okay.
years old, bit
So,
settled.
so do you face any problem raising them all together, both the
Hmm.
kids actually?
Yes, yes, yes. It was Hercules task, or I would say it was a daunting task, up in battle
Hmm.
for me, because being a part of nuclear family, right, when you do not
Hmm.
have any support, but yes, my husband was always there for me, and still he is there for me. So, on top of that, I feel that if I am responsible to bring them on this
Hmm.
planet, then it is my whole soul responsibility to give, to 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 nurture them, right?
Exactly.
I can't stay away from, I can't run away from my responsibility,
Hmm.
right? And I
I
can't
completely.
impose my responsibility on my parents,
Others. Hmm.
right? On my
Yes.
parents. So that's my
Hmm.
responsibility I need to fulfill. So I don't have any complaint, but yes, it was difficult task. It was not
Hmm.
a motherhood journey, it was a mentalhood journey for me. I was half mental at that time, but now I am in my full conscious.
It happens. It
Yeah.
happens actually. My son is 24 years old now,
Hmm.
and these days he's at home. He's working from home for 1 month. So yeah, today I was saying that still I'm doing babysitting, and you're not getting up on time. You are not eating your food or taking your food
Hmm.
on time,
Hmm.
and these kind of I'm juggling with these things, and he's getting irritated. Mama,
So are you
always you
from,
are.
are you connecting from Himachal right now?
Yes, I'm from Himachal,
Okay.
and this town where we live, its name is Solan. You must
Solan.
have heard about
Yes, I heard
Solan.
about it.
Yes,
Solan. So
quite near to Shimla, and it's midway between Shimla to Chandigarh.
okay, so how's the
One
weather?
and weather is pleasant.
Okay.
Yes, now I have turned on fan, but yeah, it's on number one, not
Okay.
more than number two.
Oh wow. You are
Yes,
in heaven, I would say. That's the only word I can give you. Heaven. But we are
yes.
roasting like chicken here. Shh.
Hmm. Yeah, I can
It's so
understand.
hot, scorching hot here. But that's okay. It's a part and
Even
parcel of life, right? We are accustomed
exactly.
to.
Hmm. One day I visited Chandigarh. That was morning time when we have to receive our son from Chandigarh airport,
Hmm.
and it was scorching heat there. It was not. I just turned on AC, and I
Hmm.
couldn't survive there without AC.
Yes,
So
yes. It is very
yes,
difficult. Okay. So, ma'am, I want to ask you, you have a YouTube channel, if I'm not wrong,
yes.
right?
Hmm. Uh,
So, yes.
in the month of November, I started
Hmm.
my YouTube
So, I
channel.
mean, okay. So,
It's a
why did
small
you create
YouTube channel.
small? I have also small YouTuber. I'm also a
No,
small YouTuber. I'm not that big
you
one,
have a
right?
good
But
subscribers.
no, but that's okay, right? It hardly
Yes.
matters how many subscriber you have or I have. What matters is that we are learning
Learning
here,
and growing.
learning and imparting, and
Hmm.
yes, engaging our day, right? And
Hmm. Exactly.
and pushing ourselves to do something productive in our day, in our
Hmm.
life as well, right?
Exactly.
Subscribers and views all are just a numbers,
Numbers.
right?
Exactly.
If you are getting happiness, in happiness, if you feel that happiness, that is your success. I've been asked multiple times, so many times, that ma'am, this blah, I don't want to take the name, that this subscriber and views and everything. I said, see, it is just a numbers only for me, right?
Hmm.
I'm happy. Why am I happy? Because I'm successful. I'm happy, that means I'm successful. For
Yes.
me,
Ultimate aim.
for me, success definition is not all about earning money.
Hmm.
If you are getting
Exactly.
that immense pleasure inside, and you feel happy, oh wow, when you hit the hay, before hitting the hay, when you look into the mirror and you see, wow, this is an accomplishment of a day. I did
Exactly.
this thing, and I'm feeling wow, proud of myself. Let me just pat my back. So that's an accomplishment, and that's your happiness.
Yes, I completely agree. And I always use this phrase that these days I'm going through the purple patch of my life
Ah.
because uh, to become fluent in this language was my childhood dream. And now I'm on this path. I'm learning this language, growing day by day, meeting wonderful people. So
Mhm.
I'm more than happy. And that sense of contentment matters a lot. It
Yeah.
adds value in my life. And
Yes.
yeah, that is success for me.
Success, yes. Okay. So tell me something about your English journey. As you said, that you just started your journey, right? Or you
Yes,
were
in the month of
you were good at language when you.
I'm from Hindi medium,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, I did my MEd, that was Master of Education in through Hindi medium,
Mm-hmm.
and till then, when I did my Masters of Education, I was pathetic in English. I was not good at grammar, not good at reading, not good at speaking. Was
Nowhere.
far behind.
Nowhere.
Yes, nowhere, nowhere, actually. Yes, and there is no speaking environment. If we used to speak one, two words or one, two sentences in English, people started mocking. आए बड़े अंग्रेज कहाँ से तुम
Yes.
just अंग्रेजी बोलने वाले आए बड़े तुम अंग्रेज kind of thing. So we
Yeah.
always use
These
Hindi.
are these are famous Hindi slang. अंग्रेजी तो आती नहीं है,
Hmm.
पता नहीं बोलते क्यों, अंग्रेज चले गए, अंग्रेजों को छोड़ गए. These are the famous Hindi slangs.
Exactly, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a such kind of environment. Then
Mm-hmm.
there was a वो हिंदी वाला की इंग्लिश वाला कीड़ा था दिमाग में तो I thought that I was raising my child at the time. I thought that why not I should do MA in English literature
Mm-hmm.
and somehow I will learn English
Mm-hmm.
speaking. There was a misconception that while doing MA in English I will be fluent in this language,
Mm-hmm.
but I was wrong. Because reading it as a subject is quite different and speaking is way apart. So, but yeah, during that journey, I learned a lot and I thoroughly enjoyed reading literature and it
Mm-hmm.
totally transformed my personality, my way of thinking, because literature deals with human psychology, it reads human emotions in depth. So
Mm-hmm.
I completely enjoyed my journey during
Mm.
those days. I was doing masters in
Mhm.
English, and
Okay.
at the time, during those years, I learned a lot
Mhm.
about English. After that, my journey started, but speaking was not anywhere in my life at the time. But yeah, when last year in the month of January 2025, I thought that I stumbled upon a video, conversational video. Then I thought, oh my God, this is a very useful thing, and I
Mhm.
started listening to those
Mhm.
conversational videos. Then
Mhm.
I came to know about audio call apps. Then I was surprised. Oh, such kind of apps are there. Then
Mhm.
my CV, I got to know about my CV app, but I
TVF.
was so skeptical that will it be good to speak to strangers
Mhm.
on a phone call? But I then after thinking a lot, I thought that why should not I give it a try? If it will not be good, then definitely I will uninstall this app. But
Yes.
yeah, it went well. and I subscribed to my CBF for whole year.
Mm-hmm.
In the initial days, I was so consistent with my speaking practice, but yeah, when it was my first call, I was not able to utter even a single sentence.
Mm-hmm.
I was shivering, and yeah, I was so nervous and underconfident because I was in teaching, and left that for 3 years I taught in a private school. But in 2013, I left that job to raise my child.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I immersed myself in raising my child, and I was confined to my home. And during those years, I lost my confidence because I was doing nothing.
Mm-hmm.
And I was so hesitant if I had to go outside, like I had to deal with someone in the bank or somewhere in the office. So, one jittery kind of a feeling was there. I was so self-doubt was there whether I would be able to converse with them. I would be able to manage those situations.
Mm-hmm.
That kind of situation was there before starting my journey.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, gradually I started gaining my confidence. But I
Mm-hmm.
was not consistent with my speaking practice.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, in the month of September, in the month of June, my son visited. Then I completely left my practice. And during month of August, he joined his job. After that, hollowness was there, emptiness
Ah.
was there. Then that question, what should I do now?
Mm-hmm.
Again, then I thought that I should come out of my comfort zone. I have to face my fears. And then I mailed other YouTubers, famous YouTubers, and thanks to them, they had given me opportunity to speak in front of them. I had one session with each famous YouTubers,
Mm-hmm.
and that is how my journey started. But yeah, at that time, I was so underconfident. I was a camera shy, timid person. I was not comfortable in front of camera.
Mm-hmm.
Gradually, yeah, I gained that confidence, and I
Mm-hmm.
was not aware of my non-verbal communication. Then
Mm-hmm.
I subscribed to English Yari app for 60 sessions.
Okay,
And then
60.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
that's how my journey started.
Mm-hmm.
And in the month of October, I started taking sessions. By the end of October, I started
Mm-hmm.
taking sessions with the English Yari tutors. They taught me they told me about my non-verbal communication. They
Mm-hmm.
had given me positive feedback. That's how I worked on
Mm-hmm.
that, and still working on that feedback.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how I'm learning and
Mm-hmm.
growing day by
Yes,
day.
yes,
And
great,
in the
great.
month of November, yes, I thought that why not? I should share my journey because so many homemakers are there. They have gone through
Mm-hmm.
the same situation, and they think that now our age is that much. We are at that stage. We can't learn anything. So I thought that no, there is no age. If at 40,
Yes.
at the age of 45, I can learn. I can start. Why can't they? So that was the feeling. Then I started sharing, but I was I am not a tech savvy person. I was not aware that how to edit, how to upload a video. Then I learned all these things from scratch on
Mm-hmm.
my own, and it gave me a lot of courage and confidence that yeah, I can do on my own. These things are doable, and only your determination and hard work is needed. So
Yes,
yeah.
yes, absolutely, absolutely well said. And age is just a number only. You can reinvent
Yes.
at any age, any age.
Hmm.
At 40, you can start your own work. At 50, you can fall in love. Absolutely.
Yes,
At
exactly.
60, you can dance, right? Why? Because
Yes,
dreams have no expiry date,
yes.
right?
And
50.
2 days back, sorry
Yes,
to
please.
cut
No,
you
no
in.
worries. Yes, please
2 days
continue.
back, I was watching a reel, and it was two sisters. They are 80 plus, and they were visiting Kedarnath.
Oh,
And yes, and they were not hiring those like horses, or they were
mm-hmm.
walking on their own.
Oh,
Yes, and they were spreading message that there is no age
no
to
age.
fulfill your
Yes,
dreams. Yes,
yes, yes.
follow your dreams.
Whenever you feel like that this work, I wanted to do it, just muster your courage and go for it. Forget about
Exactly.
what people are saying. Yeah, forget about
Mm.
what plebs are saying. Right? Do not think about it because people have to say every time. Right? If
Yes.
you are wearing a good clothes, if you are wearing good
Hmm.
clothes, people will say, "Oh my God, that person is so rich." wearing a good
Mm.
clothes. If you are not wearing a good clothes, like a simple clothes, people say, oh my God, that person is poor,
Mm.
must be poor. And if you are speaking for yourself, then people will say, oh my God, that person is so blunt, right? He has no
Mm.
manners to speak. And if you are keeping yourself mom, that people will say, oh my God, he's a coward person. People have to say every time whether it is good or
Every,
bad, right? Just do not
yes,
care about it, what plebs are saying. Just focus if you have any dream. And dreams is not just a dream. Dream is something which push you, right? Little always push you or navigate you to do better in your life. And it boosts your
yes,
desire to get the
mm.
meaningful objective of your life. And this
Yes,
is the only source and resource. Dreams, only the source and resource. Um,
mm.
which help you to work productively during hardship time. अगर आपके पास dreams है ना, passion है, zeal है, तो I believe nobody has that much dare you to pull you down. You
Exactly. I
always feel
completely agree.
boost up, you feel like
Mm.
I have something desire, I need to fulfill this, something like that. So always follow your passion will help you to stay connected with the world, and you will not be part of regret zone. जब आप कुछ कर नहीं
Yes,
पाते हो तो आपको regret रहता है, right? Oh, I should have
exactly.
done this, I wasted my time. So please don't be part of regret. Just follow your passion. If you have passion, मुझे पेंटिंग करना है, follow it. If you have passion
Yes.
that I want to, cycling, I want to ride cycle, just go for it. Why? Because
Yes,
dreams have no expiry date.
yes, and you are not harming anyone. You are learning, and learning is a good thing.
Yeah.
And there's what people will say, what people will. This is the biggest fear hold us back.
Hmm.
So we should not think about it. Let
Hmm.
them say whatever they are saying. You are not doing something wrong. You are learning. You are enjoying your life, and you if you are following your passion, it makes your life more interesting, and you feel more energetic, and the sense of
Yes.
contentment is always there in your life. When you will be in the final walk of your life, you will never regret that I had a chance and I missed that.
That.
That
Yes.
regret is the biggest regret, and
Yes.
that regret should not be there.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
whenever you get
Hmm.
an opportunity, grab it.
Grab it with your both hands. Do not hold yourself back. Okay. So now
Yes.
I want to ask you another question. You must have heard about award and reward, right? Award
Hmm.
and reward. I'm not talking about award, I'm talking about reward, right?
Reward.
So
Okay.
now my question is related to reward only. So in your life so far, have you ever received any kind of a reward? You consider, yes, this is my reward.
Okay. I think motherhood is the biggest reward. And
Yes.
yes, I raised my child. I left my job. There was a question when I was leaving my job, that I'm leaving my job for the sake of my son. Will he be a good child, or he will grow in his life or not? That question was there, but no, today I think that it is my biggest reward that he is a well-to-do
Mm-hmm.
boy, he's settled, and he has a very good moral values. I have
Mm-hmm.
inculcated, and during his childhood days, we used to spend a lot of time in libraries during his
Mm-hmm.
winter vacation. We
Wow.
used to sit there for hours, 4 5 hours, and
Mm-hmm.
now I proudly I can say that love he always loved reading,
Mm-hmm.
and books are even a few days back he came and he was saying, Mama, on airport I bought a book, and he was and you can see always a book in his bag or on his table. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this is my biggest reward, that
That's
I
great.
have inculcated this habit, and
Mm.
he loves reading, and
Yes.
definitely it makes you a better person.
Hmm. So that's your ultimate reward, right?
Exactly.
Great, because I've been asked the same question, ma'am. You are good and you can go outside to earn. But I'm not going outside to earn. Why? Because my first priority goes to my kids,
Exactly.
right? If I'm nurturing, if I'm giving good ethos and moral values, if I'm cultivating good values and ethos in them, I would say that It is not
That
my
is the
sacrifice.
biggest reward.
Biggest reward, and
Hmm.
that is not my sacrifice. It's my choice, right? My choice, and
Choice.
I'm happy and proud of myself if I accept it,
Hmm.
if I'm doing such thing. And on top of, when you are giving good values to your kids, right? Directly or indirectly, you are contributing towards society,
Hmm.
right? Contributing to
Exactly. That is.
society, country, world, right?
Hmm.
So that's also a biggest reward for me as well as a motherhood. Kind of
Hmm.
upbringing I'm giving. I don't know what they will do, what they would do in their future. I don't know simply. But if they would succeed, I feel I am successful.
I couldn't agree more.
Mm.
And you rightly said that if we are making them a good citizen, good human being, we are inculcating good moral values, then we are something we are contributing to society. Yeah,
Society.
I completely agree. It's each and every mother thinks in this way, then definitely this society will be the better place to
Better.
live in.
We have so many, we have so many complaints to the society. Oh my God, this is happening in the society. This kind of a, crime is happening. People, kids do not have that moral values and everything. But my question is that charity begins from your home,
Yes.
right?
And civic sense, we have to
Yes,
teach them.
yes. The charity
Mm.
begins from your home. तो वो charity अपने घर से start कीजिए, right?
Yes.
Start
Mm.
giving good moral values to your kids. Then only we can
Mm.
bring a revolutionary changes in the society. Otherwise, we are always like complaining, complaint box. Lots of complaints like
Yes.
this complaint, blah complaint, ye complaint. So it's better to look into yourself first.
Mm.
Mm.
Yes. And we always praise other countries like foreign countries. They are so clean, neat and clean countries. But what we do, we just throw
Yeah.
garbage. We litter here and there. We should be aware. No one is, yes, every time government can't clean the space, we
Mm.
should be aware that we have to
Yes.
throw it at a proper place. So
Mm.
this is the
This is the
scenario.
situation. Even, the situation is that if somebody is throwing garbage outside, right? And if you stop him, if you will say, hey, what are you doing? Please do not throw this garbage outside. It is like, you shoot yourself in the foot. मतलब आपने अपने पैर पे खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मार ली. Why?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because that person will ask you, will cross question you. Who are you to ask me this question?
Yes, they will
I
start
do.
arguing with
Huh.
you.
You will be ultimately and eventually you will be part of heated argument.
Hmm.
So people
Hmm.
people have a kind of fear. Why should
Hmm.
I raise my voice? If I raise my voice, then I must be beaten, right?
Hmm.
I must be in heated argument, right? So,
Many, yes.
Mhm.
So many times I think that I should stop them. The people, they are throwing water bottles or wrappers out of their car,
Mhm.
and my husband always stops me that no.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah, it's
that,
very risky.
because this is the culture of, this is the culture is going on actually. Even my husband usually
Mm.
say that whenever you drive car, right? Whenever you
Mm.
drive car, and if you collide with any of the car,
Mm.
just join your hand and say that I'm so sorry. Do not be part of
Mm.
any argument because this is the right way
Argument.
to handle the
Mm.
situation. Otherwise, it is like a well ahead wrench behind. आगे कुआं पीछे खाई,
Mm.
right? Don't be part of
Exactly.
heated argument whenever you are driving. Just be safe. Just try to save yourself first. Because
Mm.
we all
That is.
people are doing same thing, right? We are not
Mm.
here to poke our nose into the matter of other. We always say, "Arey yaar, this is not my matters. Let me just stay away. I don't want to be part of this." Or what we can do it, "Arey, this is just a negativity. I don't want to be part of this negative zone.
Mm.
Let me just stay away." We always
Yes.
feel it because we all are chanting like positive, negative, negative, positive. We all want positive things in our life, right? You
Mm.
also want, I also want. But my question is that positivity is not all about accepting the positive things. Positivity means you need to accept negative things as well,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
When you sorted out negative things from your life, then it is known as positivity because you have solution oriented approach.
Yes. You
Then
have
you
to
can,
know that
you have to
how
accept
to deal.
everything. ऐसा नहीं है ना, you are going, see, let's just take in that way. You are going to market, right? And greengrocer, you buy some vegetable, and suddenly, when you reach home and suddenly you got to know, oh my God, I got something, that rotten one things. So मेरे
Hmm.
कहने का मतलब है, when you bought vegetables, right, you are not aware of it that it has something which is rotten.
Hmm.
So positivity means, if you are accepting positivity, then negativity will come to you,
Automatically.
automatically come to you.
Automatically.
It is a byproduct. फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट
Hmm.
आपके साथ आएगा ही आएगा. इफ देर इज अ
आएगा ही
सोल्यूशन,
आएगा.
हाँ, इफ देर इज अ सोल्यूशन, देन यू हैव टू फेस so many negative things if you are
Hmm.
trying to sort it out, right? So both
Hmm.
are brother and sister. You have to accept it. You can't be positive
Yeah.
always all the time and saying that, oh my God, I don't want to be part it because I'm a very positive person, I'm an optimistic person. No, you can't stay away. You can't run away from all of these things. So say
Only
it.
you have to know how to
हाँ.
deal with the situation.
Yes. So accept it that I'm a positive, but I have guts, right? I have
Hmm.
guts that I can sort it out the negative things. I'm accepting my life the way it is in my life. पॉजिटिव
Exactly.
चीज तो किसी के पास भी नहीं है इन देयर लाइफ. वी ऑल
Completely.
हैव
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम्स.
Yes. Um, Ups and downs are there, and
ऑलवेज
it
देयर,
should be
ऑलवेज.
there. It should be there. Otherwise, life will become boring, and we are the
हाउ वुड यू टीच ना,
byproduct
हाउ.
of,
हाँ.
yeah.
तो यू विल नॉट
What
बी
we
एबल
are
टू
today,
लर्न
we are
समथिंग.
the, yes, product of those things, the hurdles we faced and situations we dealt with. Those situations, those hurdles, those failures, difficulties shaped our personality, and
Yes,
that's what we are today.
yes, yes, yes. You said that, in the beginning of conversation, you said you are not a tech savvy person, but still you learn everything, right? You
Not
don't,
every, I can't say that everything, but
but
yeah, I'm
still,
learning, still
up to
learning.
up to
Yes.
greater extent, you manage your work, no?
Hmm.
Right?
I'm managing and somehow
हाँ.
managing.
You are
वो कहते हैं ना
managing,
जुगाड़,
right?
देसी जुगाड़ लगा के, but I'm managing.
But you are managing, no? But you are managing your work, and that's the great part. So when you do not have ups and down, in your life, then you would not be part of learning.
Mm, yes.
Right?
And the best part of this, sorry to cut you in, the best part of learning this journey, you come across so many people and day-to-day basis, and you learn something valuable from their life, from their habits, from their conversation, their
Yeah,
culture, their customs. Yes.
absolutely. See, what I feel that life is all about balancing the things. You need
Mm,
to learn how to balance the things, right? If you are a kind person, right, then do not let people to abuse you. That's how you are balancing. आप kind तो
yes.
हो, लेकिन you are not going above and beyond. You have your self respect. You are not letting people to
Mm,
abuse you. That's how you are balancing this virtues. If you are a person
mm,
who trust, right,
mm,
so don't be deceived. अगर आप किसी
mm.
बहुत जल्दी ट्रस्ट कर लेते हो, तो डू नॉट लेट अदर पीपल टू डिसीव यू. आप किसी से
This is,
धोखा
yes.
धोखा खाइए मत, राइट? दैट्स हाउ यू आर
Mm,
बैलेंसिंग दिस वर्च्यू, right? And if you are learning something, if you are presenting yourself as a content, right? Abhi aap, you are presenting yourself as a content. I'm also presenting myself as a content because we both are imparting knowledge, right?
mm.
But keep one thing in your mind, keep learning, keep improving. That's how you are balancing this thing. So that's why
Yes,
I'm
and
saying
every
life is
time.
all about balancing the thing. Balance कीजिए, ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है.
Mm. And every time we are making mistakes, so we are learning. From every session, I just reflect on my session that what mistakes I did. And I think mistakes are the part of our
हाँ.
journey.
Yes,
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 we
yes.
can't say that we are perfect.
Of
Never we can be perfect. Every time
never.
there will be scope for improvement.
Yes,
And
there's
yes,
always a room for the improvement, and always definitely we will catch up. And thank you so much for joining me here, and
my
for your
pleasure.
from your prompt reply as well, because I've seen so many YouTubers, those who are not bothering to reply, but you gave reply in such a way. I really like it in a jiffy.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And I love to talk to you and love to listen to you always.
Same here.
So,
And